Shopee. Tapos, defective. Are you listening? Wala, Kid. Kaya wala ka siya kabati pa si Lord. Dala, are you listening? Wala, din sila. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What is it? Sige, example. Nag-order ka sa Shopee. Yes, sino na? Panay. Yes. Nag-order ka sa Shopee. What is your reference line example? How lang mag-order? Example lang sa reference line. What if effective ang iyong in-order? Kung hindi ka sa Shopee nag-order, sabihin ko na order, wala kang Shopee order, hindi lang yan. Order ka dahil hindi ako na iyong order. Pero siyempre, dapat sa Shopee, di ba meron ang reference number? Okay, effective. So, balik mo siya. Pagkasi naman Shopee. Request for refund. Request for replacement. Order number 1245. Please call effective. Or the arrow review number or replace number. Mga kaso-kaso is number. Okay, attention line. What is attention line? Sa isa lang basta.
Optional parts of business letter, attention line, alternative to including the recipient's name or position in the address is to use attention line. The attention line is placed below the inside address and above gas annotation. It is always underlined with row of correspondence attention to the fact that this letter should be forwarded to a particular person in the
Thank you, Giovanni.
Make sure to capitalize the first word and the first letters in the name of person's position in the company. When you use attention line, address your letter to the company and use the salutation dear sirs or dear dog.
Okay, attention line. Use mo yung letter. Attention. Attention.
Okay.
What kind of letter is the word attention or there is an attention line? Anong letter letter? Memorandum, attention, all faculty members and students, a memorandum about the memorandum. Attention, faculty, NCTI faculty and members, for tapos may subject line, showcasing on the 14th of February. Pero nang feeling was si Usubok mag-practice. Are you ready now for the showcasing? Ano daw?
Doesn't have scores.
Why kami sa Balunga kung ano po po sa Why kami ano?
Keyboarding.
Ha?
Sir, nag-gear daw ako kasi sa keyboard.
Kanjin kami ulit-ulit. Paul, ano daw i-assist?
Aba.
Hindi pa, ano